Thank you, Bruno. Congratulations, Ellie and Miriam. It was good to see you as well on Saturday night. They were honored by the Multiple Myeloma Foundation and accepted a very important award. So tonight, briefly, I've got three things I want to do. I want to say a couple thank yous, a couple of congratulations, and then just talk about the current environment very briefly. So first of all, on behalf of Alexandria, I want to thank the Galien Foundation and Bruno again, Dr. Roy Vagelos, importantly, and what a highly curated and absolutely spectacular program today, and the entire Galien Award Committee. And I'm going to come back to Roy in a minute. Also, congratulations to all of tonight's nominees and to this year's recipient of the Pro Bono Humanum Award, Dr. Mary Claire King, in recognition of her transformative work in genetics and human rights. So tonight, we really have the best of times and the worst of times. Earlier today, much of the group here attended the Galien Forum, again, so highly curated by Roy Vagelos at the Alexandria Center, and discussed progress in things like gene therapy, autism, targeted drug delivery, and other areas of great promise. Great groundbreaking scientific advancements, such as those of Dr. King's, our understanding of disease biology, genomics, gene editing, immuno-oncology, precision medicine, and technology present great opportunities that we even didn't imagine a few years ago. But I think there are three things we need to do in the worst of times. Number one, where is this industry's visible, charismatic, and trusted leadership? We don't have Roy Vagelos being featured on the cover of the most important magazines of America as the most admired CEOs of pharma or the most admired companies anymore. You just don't see it. So the first thing this industry needs to do is we need that trusted leadership. And Roy, thank you for all you've done for the industry. Maybe you can help us find that set of leaders. The second thing is this industry has to partner with patients way more than it does. If you go back to, I know Mark Tessalevine, when I used to go to Genentech's campus, virtually every billboard was Genentech and its patient relationship. You simply don't see that visibly. The public doesn't see that visibly, and the patients are our most important asset and the reason we all are here tonight. That must take place. And let me just read you a quick quote. Going back to 1993, price cap talk without thinking of the consequences. No legislation was ever passed, but here we are in the year 2015, and it's 1993 all over again. Companies developing HIV and promising cancer therapies then shut down. In the last couple of weeks, the industry has lost many hundreds of billions of dollars of value because several bad actors were abusing the system, but it's looked at as the entire industry. That's got to really stop. And so for companies developing cures for leukemia, Alzheimer's, autism, breast cancer, AIDS, think of the desperately sick kids, moms dying of breast cancer, grandmas who can't remember that child. This is what it's about, and this is why we need cures, and this is what the industry needs to get across to the public. So that's number two, and then number three, and then I'll step down here, is political action. And don't forget, that is maybe one of the most important things you can do. You may or may not know, a couple days ago, Politico reported that Patty Murray, senator from the state of Washington, Seattle's a big biotech center, said publicly that she didn't want to see a bill move ahead, the Senate version of the 21st Century Cures Act, without something in it dealing with drug pricing. Okay, here's a senator, a good person, talking about an important bill to help fund the FDA and the NIH more, and she doesn't want it to go forward without drug pricing appendage. That just can't be the case. And I know Ron Cohn's here from Bio and a number of other people. We have got to galvanize and mobilize against this kind of stuff. So 3 things to remember. That's all I've got to say. Thank you.